We're going to the zoo. We're going to the zoo. Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
What do you want to see? What's your most...
jaguar.
The jaguar. Ooh, I can't wait to see that jaguar too.
Last time we went, it was just going ding, 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 walking back and forth.
Yeah, he was,
He's
or
like
she was.
wiggling.
I'm not sure if it was a she or he, but woohoo! And as we walk in, look how beautiful all the flowers are. So pretty. Oh, look how cute.
Clean it up.
Wow,
It's right there.
so cool.
Look how big one was in the tree.
And we're gonna go inside the world of primates. Wow. Oh, there's some babies. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. Oh, it's so
The
cute.
babies are so tiny. Yeah, these are monkeys.
Oh.
It's
Here, let's go over here.
It's going up to us.
That's so funny.
That's the mama.
Yeah.
Baby.
I don't like
Scary.
What'd you say, Abby?
There's brown monkeys.
It is so scary. I don't know. The big ones are even.
All right, Abby, do you remember how tall you were last time we were here? You think you're 3 foot? Grown almost a foot in 2 years? You think so? We'll have to go back and look. We'll have to see.
Scared.
He's scared?
Yeah, whenever I said hi, he looked at me.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another one.
Look how colorful he is. Look at those natural colors on him. Wow. I want him to turn around. Turn around, bunny. He's eating. Oh, hello, little one.
He's so cute.
He's so cute. Now, he doesn't have all his color like his mama or daddy over there. But he is so cute.
Or she.
Yes. Isn't he wild?
Oh, do you hear that?
And now we're off to the Elephant Springs. This is exciting. This is the first time that I've been here. Last time we came here, they were working all on this, so I'm so excited. Look how gorgeous this is. I think the elephants are over here. Wow. Oh, look at this. How neat is this? Oh, there is one right there. Aww.
Look how big that elephant is.
Look how pretty this
Look,
is.
there's a bigger one back there.
Yeah, well, maybe we can go back there and see the bigger one. Look, Abby, look over there.
Yeah.
It's a baby. The big baby.
Mom, look at that one.
Wow, the springs here is gorgeous. Look at that.
Some different behaviors that we do is then some training sessions. So what she'll do is she's showing him the target stick and asking him for his foot, and then when you hear the click, that lets him know that he's doing it correctly, and then she will give him a reward. So that way it's called positive reinforcement. Elephants love, they are snack time, so they are very food motivated animals. They can eat anywhere from 100 to 300 pounds of food a day. They can only lay down for about 4 to 6 hours per side. Their organs are so big it would harm them to lay down for longer. Their heart can weigh anywhere from 20 to 45 pounds. So that's a lot of weight on one side. Now if you hear him squeaking, elephants make a number of different vocalizations. So it's squeaks, rumbles, trumpeting. They can actually, if you're able to see this light coloration on his trunk and a little bit on his ears, that is a loss of pigmentation with age. So I just kind of joke, we get wrinkles, they lose color. Whenever the babies are born, they are all gray. So as they get older, they... Now as you can see, he's able to see the treat, but their number one son, their son's like this.
I want a meerkat.
There are not many of them around. Oh, that one's looking at me.
Meerkat.
Hey there.
Those are funny.
Those are so
It's a meerkat. They like make holes.
He's on watch. There's one that always stays on watch.
It's like a dog.
Oh, look. That is so cool. Wow. Look at him dancing. Look at their little feet.
So big, Mom.
Look at them.
Look at them swimming. That is so cool.
That is so...
It's like they're dancing.
I know.
Look at his face.
There are so many fish in here. Look at that. I wonder why they have so many fish in here.
Mom, the fish have chrome on them.
The fish have chrome on them? Oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah, he's pretty.
Where'd that other hippo go, Mom?
He's probably still swimming, I bet. Abby, that's the closest you'll ever get to a hippo.
Look, they're like swimming with him. They're like eating and cleaning him.
Yeah, maybe that's why there's so many fish in there.
Yeah, that's so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Look at them talking to each other.
Crazy flamingo.
Looks like y'all sometimes fighting. Is this what you wanted to see?
Yes.
Holy moly. Wow. He is huge. Oh, well, does he look bigger under the water? Oh my gosh, he's huge.
Those are...
Oh, look at his face.
That thing does not look happy.
He doesn't look happy. You like that alligator?
It's a turtle down.
A turtle is like the only animal that like is actually interactive.
No,
Where are we going? Is this the snake? Oh my gosh.
Oh, Mom, it's so scary.
Look at the doors. Okay.
Go, Abby. Touch,
You ready?
touch a snake. Touch a snake. Colin, you open it.
Colin, open the door. One thing about coming in here is that you know there's snakes, and when you can't find them, that is scary. That's huge. That's a huge python.
How big this is?
It's huge.
Python.
Ugh, let's see if we can get another view of it.
They live in the grasslands.
They live in the grasslands? Well, we live by the grasslands. Hopefully it's not the same one. Okay, you know there's a snake in here. Oh my gosh. There it is.
Where is
Holy
it?
cow. Where is it?
Where is
That's what's so scary about it, Colin.
Oh, there it is. Oh my god.
Isn't that scary? Like, that's why snakes are so scary. Like, I didn't either. Hey, Matt, come see if you can find the snake.
Dad,
Mom,
can you
is
find the
that
snake?
a poisonous snake?
Where's the snake?
Mom, is that?
Yeah. Yes, so
Step on that.
see his
That
head?
is a poisonous snake.
Yeah.
Wait, do they
So-
change colors?
No, but see how they blend in? It doesn't even breathe or move.
That's so crazy.
This is a viper.
I
But
do
you can
not
see how big the head is, and that's how you can tell if it's poisonous, Abby. This is an iguana.
They're so still.
They are so still. Ooh, he's active. Look at him.
Look how long it
How
is.
Yeah.
long this snake is. That's a snake. Oh, that's gross. Look at it.
Look how long he is. Ooh, he's moving. His body's moving. Ugh. Comment down below if you get the chills when you see snakes.
Mom, this is
'Cause I do. Oh, look at him down there. Oh, big time poisonous. Okay, so this one is a boa, a tree boa. Oh, that one's back there, maybe? Oh, that one's a little one.
Vietnamese leaf nose.
Yeah, he's got a strange little pointy nose. Can you see that, Abby? See how his nose is so, it is so weird. Look, yeah. That's crazy. Ooh. Oh man, look at his. So skinny, and that head is so fat.
Venomous.
Venomous, okay.
That's a poisonous snake.
Yeah, see? It says venomous too. Oh wow, look at that. Ooh, just gets... Alright, can you see him?
Oh, there he is.
He's even got his head up. Yikes.
Oh,
Ugh. That's a king cobra. Oh, there he is. Yeah.
oh, I don't.
How do they move?
Oh, it's going to.
Yes, this one is very venomous. With one little strike, he can kill an elephant. That's how much venom and poisonous his venom is.
You can kill me.
He almost looks like he's stalking us. Look at him. It looks like it. Look at his eyes. Oh, little fishy.
Oh, they look harmless.
Oh, a cute little tiny fish. Mom, what are those?
This is going to be a golden-eyed stick insect.
Mom, what's this?
Let's see.
Oh, it's venomous.
This one's venomous. This is a white spotted assassin's bug.
It's
Yeah, I
venomous.
hate that.
And we got some freshwater fish in here. And an alligator. Can you see the alligator?
He really
He's looking at us. Pretty fish, huh, Abby? Ooh, look what they're doing. Wonder what they're doing. They're trying to transferring them? Oh my gosh, look at that. I would not want this job. And he's holding them. Okay, you cannot pay me enough to have this job. No way.
Oh, he's crazy.
So what are they doing?
I think that's how they like will.
It's probably.
Ooh, oh, he's like really, are they measuring them? What are they doing? Like, why did they put that other one on top?
It's like threading a needle. It's hard.
I wonder what they're doing. That's an incubation, nursery, and incubation.
What are they even doing?
I don't know. He's crawling up now. All right, so next it's to toucans and the macaws in the parrot paradise.
So big.
It's bird paradise. Is that what they call this? Yes, it is. Bird paradise.
Parrot paradise.
Parrot paradise.
Don't let
Oh!
any birds out.
Don't let the birds out.
Abigail, I couldn't get it.
It's just that hard.
Abby. Abby, look at that one right there.
Oh, that one's pretty.
He's pretty.
Yeah, give it to one.
It's off to Raptor Canyon, sponsored by American Airlines.
Hi.
Wow, look how close we are. Look at this, Matt. Woo! It's a harpy eagle.
A harpy eagle.
Yeah. Ooh, he's cool looking. It's in Mexico and Central America.
Chicken? Chicken. Yeah. You can? Where do you get them? I don't know.
Did you know their tongues are like is a feather? So we have done all the, was it raptures, and so now let's head on and see what else we can find. Oh, he's so pretty. Now to the Australian outback. You ready to go to the Australian outback, Colin?
The Australian accent isn't
Australian.
very accurate.
All right, then show me it. Since I'm not as good.
We're going into Australia. The Australian outback. The Great Barrier Reef.
Okay.
Hey, Mom, we need a fish tank like this at our house. What do you think?
We used to have one.
No, like a big one.
We used to have one.
I know, but like we need another one.
I agree. They're so pretty.
Oh,
They're a lot of work though, the saltwater fish.
Yeah, but they're
Look
so
at those
pretty.
fishes.
You gotta add water and salt every day. Keep the pH perfect. Remember we had those blue little fish?
you have those.
It's so small.
Oh, so cute.
They're like not even scared.
Yeah, because kids do this all day long, Joe. Oh, you didn't like that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Sure.
Don't scare them.
Hello.
And now we are off to the Texas Wild. What do you think we are going to see in the Texas
I
Wild?
think they should have named it Wild Texas.
What is it? Tigers and bears. Oh my.
Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, there is a bear. Bunny.
Bunny.
Lions and tigers.
Hey, maybe we'll see some bunnies, Mom.
Maybe we'll see some bunnies.
The bunnies.
It's the hill country.
Imagine if there was a bear.
Well, let's just take this in and relax.
You know I was right.
They're birds.
They have a carousel, but it doesn't look like anybody's on it, or it's not running. And they also have a train over here, which doesn't look like it's running either. We are headed into Texas Town. I know they have a cute little shops, couple shops over here. And they also have the restrooms over here in case you need to take a restroom break. And they have the Texas Hall of Wonders. Looks like a little history of Texas.
Probably
All
not.
right, Abby, do you want to go on the Swing Swamp Bridge?
I don't know. There's some
Looks kind of,
crazy,
yikes. I don't know. Who wants to go?
maybe ones.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go on the swing bridge.
Okay, I'm going to let you go first.
Why, are you scared, Mom?
Yes.
Scared?
I'm scared. Look at it moving. All right, let's go. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Don't fall in the water.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's really. Oh my god! It's really. I might fall over. Oh. Hurry!
This is the closest I've ever got to.
That's the closest you'll ever get to an alligator? I know. He's really big. Coyote.
A coyote? We have those at our house.
We do have those.
I'm gonna wave at it.
There's those little bears. They were active last time we were here. They're sleeping today.
What is that?
It looks like they're covered in oil. Mom? Oh, they're so cute.
They probably have a natural oil on them, you know.
Yeah.
And here comes some of my favorite animals. Look
I
at
see some big cats.
some gorgeous.
They don't look like Mindy.
Oh, look how beautiful these babies are. You want something small. Look, look.
Maybe it's over there.
It's a big one. Oh, they are brown.
Whoa, I can't believe this. It's like the light. Oh my.
And this is the end of the day.
And it could be feeding time.
They're ready to eat.
Yeah. They just look they're hunting.
His paws are giant.
I know.
Puppy.
Behind in the back is our big silverback, and that is Elmo. Over to the other side, back here, even though he's 5 years old, he will eventually get to be the size of his father. And right about in his teens, he'll start getting before he is good. And we always struggle to find him. And moving about to exhibit home. If you really want to show you see him, please also.
Wait, I'm gonna turn.
Oh,
Just teeth.
scary.
I'm looking at you.
Did you get that one?
I did. Oh, wait. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Who had fun?
I had more fun than anybody.
Colin.
No, I had more
It
fun.
was awesome. I had a lot of fun.
All right,
My favorite part was the gorillas because he just hit the window.
That
We play
was-
that clip.
I,
Last part was pretty funny.
that last part, the gorilla.
Yeah.
Abby, favorite part? Yeah.
Mom, repeat that clip.
Daddy, favorite part?
Mom.
All right, guys. Well, that was our trip out to the Fort Worth Zoo. I hope you enjoyed all the animals. Comment down below which exhibit was your favorite. And with that being said, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.